Welcome to this e-learning series on print and delivery for SAP Business One. In a series of e-learning sessions, I will introduce you to what the B1 print and delivery is all about, how to get started, the individual building blocks, as the tool is highly modularized, and we will end the series with videos on advanced topics. So let us start with what B1 print and delivery is and what it can do for you. The main purpose of the tool is to deliver data and reports to people. You can say from a sender to a receiver. But how this is done is all in the details, meaning when is a delivery initiated, what data is possible to deliver, and how can it be delivered like a print, an email, and so on. So this is what we call the how, the what, and the actions. And it's here the product shines over most other projects, as this is like a set of Lego blocks that you can customize to your heart's content. So when it comes to how, it can be ad hoc by sending a specific invoice directly from the screen. It can be in batches where you send multiple of the same type, or it can be by scheduling something similar to the batch, but on a schedule instead. When it comes to data, we have 42 common data scenarios out of the box, like invoices, orders, goods received, PO, and so on. And if none of these fits, either because it's some kind of internal data where the receiver is an internal person, or if it's custom data from another add-on, your own data, that can also be set up if the 42 common scenarios don't fit you. The data comes from a crystal report. That's the common thing about the data. And it will be output primarily as a PDF, but there is options to actually do it as Excel, Word, or text in it if need be. Finally, there's the actions. There's the traditional actions like print, email, show, PDF, and so on. But there's also more advanced and automated actions like MS Teams, where you can send a notification, you can save a PDF, or you can do SAP objects like create an activity every time you save it and so on. So that is what we have with how, what, and action. And we can mix and match these to your heart's content. So as an example, you could have an invoice screen and you're just on it. So you ad hoc take common data and show it, or email it, or save it, or any combination, because you can have multiple actions for the same action. So you can do it all by going to the screens and do the work. You can do it in batches where we take all the invoices and send them, or some internal data and send them to multiple people. Or again, you can automate everything in a schedule. So every 10 minutes, it will just send all the unsent sales orders as an example, and save a copy of the sales order for some kind of external system. So that was the high-level introduction. We haven't gone into the system yet, but we will do that fairly soon, because in the next session, we will go through how to get started from scratch in this system. So thank you for watching.